Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best rigid hose is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools you can have in your workshop or for any DIY project, offering unparalleled durability and resistance to kinking and crushing, ensuring a consistent flow of air or liquids without interruption, making it an essential component for pneumatic systems, automotive repairs, and industrial applications where reliability is paramount. Number 5. Hon&Guan 4-foot flexible dryer vent hose. Tired of noisy fans and filters? This ventilation solution is designed to significantly reduce noise, potentially by up to 50%, creating a much quieter environment for your home or grow space. Ensure complete darkness for your sensitive plants or maintain privacy with our light-proof ducting. The thick black PVC exterior effectively blocks all light, making it ideal for grow tents and other light-sensitive applications. Experience superior durability with our 3-layer construction. Featuring steel wire helix, aluminum foil, and a protective PET layer, it's designed to maintain its shape and resist rips and punctures for long-lasting performance. Setting up your ventilation system has never been easier. This flexible ducting slides on effortlessly to your fans, filters, or lights and can be easily cut to your desired length. It comes with everything you need for a secure fit. From kitchens and bathrooms to grow rooms and HVAC systems, this ducting is your go-to for efficient air movement. It's perfect for circulation, exhaust, and cooling in a wide variety of applications. Rely on its performance in extreme temperatures, from -30 degrees Celsius to 150 degrees Celsius. Its robust construction with high-quality materials ensures it can handle demanding conditions reliably. What we like. This hose is designed with low-noise operation and a light-proof design, making it ideal for grow rooms or any environment where light and sound need to be controlled. Its durable 3-layer construction ensures it can withstand demanding conditions. If you are setting up a hydroponic grow tent or need a quiet ventilation solution for a sensitive area, this is the hose for you. What people say. The hose is very flexible and easy to maneuver around corners. It is made of durable material that seems like it will last a long time. The hose has a smooth interior, which allows for good water flow. Number 4. Cenipar 4-inch flexible aluminum dryer vent hose. Introducing our high-quality dryer vent hose, designed for durability and flexibility. It's crafted from flame-retardant aluminum with a corrosion-resistant steel wire spiral for long-lasting performance. This hose can handle a wide temperature range, from 0 to 185 degrees Fahrenheit. It's the perfect solution for various ventilation needs, ensuring reliable operation in different environments. Easily adaptable for a multitude of uses, it's ideal for air duct fan systems, hydroponic rooms, bathrooms, and heating or cooling transport. It can even be used to cool AV equipment rooms and cabinets. Installation is a breeze. You can cut it to your desired length and use the included clamps for a secure connection. For safety, please wear gloves and disconnect power before installation. We stand by the quality of our product. If you have any questions, we're here to help resolve them quickly. Buy with confidence and enjoy satisfaction with your purchase. What we like. This flexible aluminum foil ducting is made with high-quality flame-retardant material and reinforced with a corrosion-resistant steel wire spiral for safety and durability. Its compact 8-foot length is perfect for smaller ventilation needs. If you have a tight space, like a small grow tent or a bathroom exhaust, and need a reliable, safe ducting solution, this is a great choice. What people say. The hose is very flexible and easy to maneuver around obstacles. It is made of a durable material that seems like it will last a long time. The hose has a good grip and is comfortable to hold, even when wet. Number 3. Camco RhinoFLEX 10-foot RV sewer hose extension. Introducing the Camco RhinoFLEX 10-foot RV sewer hose extension. It's designed to make dumping your RV tank simpler and more convenient on all your camping trips. This extension is designed to work seamlessly with various RhinoFLEX and Camco products, as well as other camper drain hoses featuring bayonet fittings. You can easily integrate it into your existing setup. Included is one 10-foot RhinoFLEX sewer hose extension, complete with a pre-attached lug and bayonet fitting. It's ready to enhance your RV dumping experience right out of the box. Crafted from 23 mils of robust polyolefin and reinforced with steel wire, it's built to last. This hose can bend and hold its shape, ensuring reliable performance for years to come. When not in use, it conveniently compresses to just 39 inches, including the fittings. This compact design allows for easy storage, fitting neatly into a 4-inch square RV bumper. Proudly made in the USA with quality global materials, this patented sewer hose extension offers superior durability and performance. You can trust in its exceptional craftsmanship. What we like. This sewer hose extension features a collapsible design for easy RV storage and comes with pre-attached fittings for quick setup. Its durable polyolefin construction reinforced with steel wire ensures it can handle the demands of RV waste disposal. If you are an RV owner looking for a convenient and robust solution to extend your sewer hose for dumping, this is an excellent option. What people say. The hose is very flexible and easy to maneuver around obstacles. It is made of durable material that seems like it will last a long time. The hose has a good flow rate and doesn't kink easily. Number 2. Master Elite Series 50-foot Hybrid Polymer Air Hose. Introducing the Master Elite Series Air Hose, designed for professionals and DIYers alike. Experience unparalleled flexibility and durability for all your projects. Crafted from a hybrid polymer, this hose is 30% lighter than traditional rubber hoses. It offers exceptional strength without the added weight, making it easy to maneuver. Say goodbye to frustrating kinks and twists. Our advanced design ensures a smooth, unrestricted airflow, allowing you to work efficiently without interruption. Built to withstand extreme temperatures from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 150 degrees Fahrenheit, this hose remains flexible and reliable in any condition. It's also resistant to oil, chemicals, and electrical hazards. Equipped with a universal aluminum quick coupler, it seamlessly connects to various pneumatic tools. Enjoy effortless attachment and detachment for maximum productivity. With a maximum working pressure of 300 psi and robust construction, this hose is engineered for longevity. It's the ideal choice for auto repair, construction, and home use. What we like. This air hose offers exceptional all-weather flexibility, remaining pliable even in extreme cold, and is constructed from a lightweight hybrid polymer. It features a universal aluminum quick coupler for broad compatibility with pneumatic tools. If you work in automotive repair, construction, or simply need a durable, easy-to-handle air hose for your garage that won't kink, this is the one to consider. What people say. The hose is very flexible and easy to maneuver around corners. It is made of a durable material that seems like it will last a long time. The hose has a smooth interior, which allows for excellent water flow. Number 1. Camco RhinoFLEX 15-foot RV Sewer Hose Kit. Streamline your RV holding tank dumping with this essential camper sewer hose kit. It's built tough and flexible for simple and effective tank emptying on all your adventures. This complete kit includes everything you need for hassle-free draining. It comes with the durable sewer hose, a clear elbow with a versatile adapter, and protective caps for storage. Connecting to dump stations is a breeze. The included adapter is designed to fit most standard pipes, including 3 slips and various threaded connections. Crafted with robust materials and reinforced steel wire, this waste hose is built to last. It can easily bend and hold its shape, ensuring reliable use for years to come. When not in use, this RV sewer drain hose compresses significantly for convenient storage. You can even remove the adapter to store it neatly in your RV bumper. Experience superior durability and performance with this patented product, proudly manufactured in the USA. It represents exceptional craftsmanship and quality you can trust. What we like. This is a complete RV sewer hose kit that includes a clear elbow fitting with a removable adapter, allowing it to connect to various dump station pipes. It's built tough and flexible, and it compresses for easy storage. If you're an RV camper who values convenience and needs a comprehensive solution for dumping your tanks, especially with its ability to adapt to different sewer connections, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. The hose is very flexible and easy to maneuver around obstacles. It is made of a durable material that seems like it will last a long time. The hose has a good grip and is comfortable to hold, even when wet. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.